Ever heard of YNAB, the wildly popular budgeting app? You know, the one everyone raves about? But here's the thing, it seems to be all about bank account linking. Now, I get it. Auto-categorization sounds dreamy. But what if you're not comfortable with that? What if privacy is a big deal for you? Today, we're diving deep into whether you actually need to link your bank account to an app to make it work. Let's be real, YNAB is powerful. It's built around the concept of giving every dollar a job. You're not just tracking spending, you're actively directing your money towards your goals. Whether it's that dream vacation, a down payment, or finally tackling that student loan debt, YNAB helps you make it happen. But here's the rub, many people feel like bank linking is mandatory to use YNAB effectively. And while it can be incredibly convenient, it's definitely not a requirement. Here's the deal, YNAB is designed to work with or without direct bank feeds. You have options. Manual entry, this is the classic approach. You manually enter your transactions. Sounds tedious, right? Not necessarily. With a little discipline, it can actually be quite empowering. You're more mindful of your spending when you're actively recording it. Plus, it forces you to engage with your finances on a deeper level. CSV uploads, if you're a spreadsheet whiz, you can export your transaction history from your bank and import it into YNAB. This offers a good balance between automation and manual input. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. Bank linking pros. Auto-categorization, YNAB's AI is pretty smart. It learns your spending habits and automatically categorizes transactions. This saves you tons of time. Real-time updates, your budget reflects your spending instantly, giving you a truly up-to-date financial picture. Bank linking cons. Privacy concerns, sharing your financial data with a third-party app can raise concerns. Potential for errors, while rare, there can be glitches with bank feeds, leading to inaccurate data. Reliance on technology, if the bank feed goes down, you are left in the dark about your spending. The bottom line. YNAB is a fantastic tool, regardless of how you choose to input your data. If privacy is a major concern, manual entry or CSV uploads are perfectly viable options. Here are some tips for manual entry. Dedicate a specific time each day, whether it's 15 minutes in the morning or before bed, consistency is key. Keep a small notebook handy, jot down any expenses as they happen to make recording easier. Review your transactions regularly, this helps you identify any recurring expenses or areas where you might be overspending. Ultimately, the best method is the one that works best for you. Experiment with different approaches and see what you prefer. YNAB offers a free trial, so take advantage of it to explore the different features and find what suits your needs and comfort level. Remember, budgeting is a journey, not a destination. YNAB is a tool to help you navigate that journey. Whether you embrace bank linking or prefer a more hands-on approach, the key is to find a system that motivates you and helps you achieve your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.